Hello friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, let's talk to you about how you can copy as well as paste text on any iPhone. Don't forget, friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write your comments and also put likes. And let's you and me get started. And if you're a new user of Apple Tech, then you may have a question. How do you chip and paste text on your iPhone? But it's actually a very quick process. To do this, you will need to open any text, perhaps some message, notes, website, and so on. In my case, I'm going to open Notes. And here you will need to click on the text and hold down on it. As you can see, the text will take on this little yellow box, and you can extend it and drag it to wherever you need it to copy. Or you can just select Copy All or Select All. Now click Copy, and the text will be copied. Now, in order for you to paste it, you'll need to press and hold in the same way in the message bar or just an empty field in Notes, and select the word Paste. As you can see, the text will be pasted. I'll show you another example of a website. In the same way, you press and hold on any word, and then you can, as you can see, change the location of the text that you want to copy. You press Copy, and then you go back to where you want to paste that text. You click, hold, and paste. This is the way, as you can see, the text will be copied and pasted to the location you want on your iPhone. I hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget, dear friends, to subscribe to the channel and also put your likes. Take care.